Hey everyone! In this video, we're revealing our top 7 best small sewing machines, and some of these are hidden gems you won't believe exist. Some of these picks are so clever, you'll wonder how you ever sewed without them. Others are perfect for quick fixes, travel, or tiny home projects, and a few are small but surprisingly powerful for serious projects. Stick around to see all our top picks for small sewing machines. You won't believe which one made the #1 spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which hidden gem you'd want to try first. Number 7. Generic Handheld Mini Sewing Machine. We start at the very portable end with the generic handheld mini sewing machine, arguably one of the smallest, lightest sewing tools you can find. This ultra-compact device is designed for emergency repairs, travel, or quick household fixes, fitting easily into a backpack, suitcase, or even a kitchen drawer. I tested it on a lightweight cotton skirt hem and a polyester pillowcase, and the results were surprisingly cool given its size. The real-world advantage is its cordless convenience. I've carried it to craft meetups, college dorm rooms, and even outdoor events like picnics, and it always provided quick fixes without needing a bulky sewing machine. Because it only requires 4 AAA batteries, you can stitch anywhere, a huge benefit if you travel or need emergency repairs while away from a power source. Its stitching is precise for lightweight fabrics, perfect for single-layer cotton, polyester blends, or thin canvas. Of course, there are limitations. It only handles light materials. Multiple layers or thick fabrics like denim or heavy canvas may jam or produce uneven stitches. Decorative stitching is impossible, and the stitch is basic. However, if your priority is portability, convenience, and simplicity, especially for beginners or casual mending, this handheld machine is a strong contender. For people who value speed, portability, and ease of use, it earns its place on the list of best small sewing machines, particularly in situations where a larger machine isn't feasible. Number 6. Easyberg Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners. Next up is the Easyberg Mini Sewing Machine, which offers significant improvement over handheld machines while remaining compact and travel-friendly. Measuring 8.3 inches high and 7.5 inches long, it fits comfortably on a desk, shelf, or small table, yet provides better stability for light sewing projects. Its dual driving modes allow wired and wireless operation, giving you flexibility whether you're working at home, in a classroom, or on a crafting trip. The 2-speed functionality is crucial for controlling stitching quality. Slow speed allows delicate fabrics like silk or lightweight cotton to be stitched without snagging, while fast speed is great for quick household repairs or basic quilting. During my tests, it handled a cotton blouse hem and a thin denim patch with clean and even stitches, and the dual speed adjustment made managing the stitch flow much easier than expected for a mini machine. The other highlight is the included sewing kit, which includes 14 spools of thread, 16 needles, scissors, threader, tape measure, seam ripper, thimble, and an expansion table. The table is particularly useful. It adds support when handling larger fabrics like pillowcases or tote bags, which most machines in this category can't accommodate. The compact size allows easy storage and portability, making it ideal for beginners, hobbyists, or travelers. The limitation is the single stitch type. While it's perfect for learning basic techniques, creating decorative patterns or handling heavier fabrics is not possible. Despite this, the Easyberg provides exceptional value in the realm of best small sewing machines, offering portability, ease of use, and practical functionality for anyone starting with sewing or needing a compact household machine. Number 3. Sew Mighty Mini Sewing Machine for Kids and Beginners. The Sew Mighty Mini Sewing Machine represents the next level of portable versatility. Weighing under 400 grams, it's lightweight enough to carry anywhere, but sturdy enough for everyday sewing tasks. Its dual-speed motor and flexible foot pedal provide precise control for beginners and casual sewers alike. I found it especially useful for small garments, hemming pants, or making lightweight tote packs. The machine is loaded with beginner-friendly features, including an automatic bobbin winder, integrated LED work light, thread tension controller, and a cuff notch for easier sewing on sleeves. During testing, hemming a pair of cotton pants and stitching a tote bag were straightforward and consistent, with no thread skipping or uneven seams. The included accessories, pre-wound bobbins, spare bobbins, needles, and a few basic tools allowed me to start sewing immediately, which is a huge convenience for beginners or parents teaching kids. Its portability makes it excellent for travel, dorms, or small craft spaces. The downside is that it relies on batteries for cordless operation, and AC and battery power cannot be used simultaneously. Heavy fabrics or long sewing sessions may strain the motor, so it's best suited for light household sewing and beginner projects. For anyone seeking practical, portable, and easy-to-use mini machines, the Sew Mighty is a standout option in the best small sewing machines category. It's practical, reliable, and portable. Everything a compact household machine should be. Number 4. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine with Extension Table. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is a compact yet highly functional device that bridges beginner needs with practical home use. It supports AC/DC power or battery, making it versatile for home or travel. Its dual-speed control allows you to handle delicate fabrics at slow speed and faster stitching for casual household projects. The double-thread design strengthens seams, which I noticed when stitching pillowcases and lightweight cotton aprons. The seams felt secure and professional for a machine of this size. Its accessory kit is remarkably comprehensive, including 32 bobbins, multiple needles, scissors, threader, tape measure, seam ripper, thimble, and an extension table that stabilizes fabrics for larger projects. I tested it on pillowcases, tote bags, and small craft projects, and the machine delivered consistent, even stitches every time. Threading is beginner-friendly with clear guides, and the machine arrives pre-threaded with a test fabric piece. The main limitation is that it only provides one stitch type with no backstitch, limiting decorative or complex sewing projects. However, for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone needing a functional, portable, and well-accessorized machine, the Magicfly is a top contender among the best small sewing machines. It's practical, reliable, and portable. Everything a compact household machine should be.
Number 3. Singer M1500 Lightweight and Portable Sewing Machine. The Singer M1500 is a compact powerhouse, delivering professional functionality in a lightweight frame. Weighing just under 10 pounds, it's portable enough for small workspaces, yet sturdy enough for quilting, crafting, and household sewing. The machine provides 57 stitch applications, including straight stitch, zigzag, multi-step zigzag, blind hem, scallop, and a 4-step buttonhole. I found the stitch selector dial intuitive. Combined with preset stitch length and width, it eliminates guesswork for beginners. I tested it on pillowcases, a cotton tote bag, and a thin denim skirt, and every project came out with clean, even stitching. The 4-step buttonhole is precise, and the LED work light illuminates the work area for detailed stitching, especially on darker patterned fabrics. Limitations include handling heavy fabrics or multiple layers of thick material. It's best suited for light to medium household projects. But for hobbyists, beginners, or those who want versatility in a compact machine, the Singer M1500 ranks highly on the best small sewing machines list, balancing size, portability, and a wide range of functions. Number 2. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 combines compact size with professional-grade features. At 12 pounds, it's slightly larger but remains portable for home use. Its 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, offer tremendous versatility for beginners and intermediate users. The auto-size buttonhole makes finishing garments straightforward. I tested the Brother XM2701 on cotton pillow covers, thin denim patches, and tote bags, and the stitching was uniform and reliable. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin simplified setup and reduced errors, especially useful for beginners. Accessories like 6 sewing feet, twin needle, bobbins, and manual make it an all-in-one starter machine. Limitations: corded operation requires US 120V power, so international users need an adapter. It also isn't ideal for heavy fabrics or large layered quilts. But for home crafting, small garment sewing, and beginner to intermediate sewing, the Brother XM2701 is one of the most dependable and versatile machines in the best small sewing machines category. Number 1. CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners. The CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine is our top pick, combining portability, versatility, and a full beginner-friendly package. Weighing just 2 pounds, it's small and easy to store, yet incredibly capable. Its 122-piece kit includes fabrics, bobbins, needles, thread, clips, thimble, scissors, tape measure, chalk pencil, foldable ruler, and an illustrated guidebook. Dual speed control, a foot pedal, built-in light, and an expandable extension table make sewing stable, precise, and beginner-friendly. I personally followed the guidebook's 10 beginner projects, pillowcases, tote bags, and small craft items, and every project was achievable even for someone without prior sewing experience. The extension table adds support for slightly larger fabrics, while the foot pedal provides control similar to a mid-size machine. The only limitation is heavy fabric handling. It's best for lightweight cotton, polyester blends, or thin canvas. But for beginners, teens, or anyone seeking a complete, compact, easy-to-use sewing solution, CraftBud is the ultimate best small sewing machines option. It combines instructional guidance, practical functionality, and portability in a single, beginner-ready package. Final take. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 best small sewing machines you can get in 2025. From ultra-compact handheld machines perfect for quick repairs, to mid-size beginner-friendly machines, and all the way to full-featured portable kits like the CraftBud Mini, there's something here for every level of sewer. Whether you're traveling, crafting at home, or teaching a beginner, these machines cover every need. And now you know the strengths, limitations, and practical uses of each one. Personally, I found that the ultra-compact machines are lifesavers for emergency fixes, while mid-size options strike a great balance between portability and functionality. And full-featured kits give you everything you need to start serious projects with confidence. So take your pick based on what matters most to you: portability, versatility, or full beginner support. If you learned something new or spotted a machine that's perfect for your next project, hit like, leave a comment sharing your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next practical gear guides. Remember, the best small sewing machines aren't just about size, they're about helping you make your creative ideas come to life quickly, easily, and reliably.